Hi guys, I am your host from hairsite.com, bringing your hair restoration news for over 20 years.
We are your go-to channel for hair restoration news anywhere in the world. If it's not covered here, it's not worth your time. Headline news by hairsite.com in 5 minutes or less. In this video and all future episodes, we will get you caught up with everything that is worth looking into the world of hair loss and hair restoration in 5 minutes or less. For details on any of the headline news in this video, visit hairsite.com or check out the links in the video description below. First off, good news for alopecia areata patients. Olumiant, the first and only FDA-approved medication for alopecia areata, is now available in the US and possibly other countries with a doctor's prescription. See link below for details. On the research front for pattern baldness, here's a video published by the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine on Stemson Therapeutics. Encouraging news here. Highly recommended if you want to stay on top of what's promising when it comes to cell therapy for hair loss.
And so we do know that our fastest path to market, fastest path into clinical trial, least risky from a clinical outcome perspective is an autologous approach. And together with some of our industry partners, we've sort of gone out and really pressure tested that there's a strong market that would be willing to accept and pay for an autologous solution. And so that's sort of a first priority on the fast track, if you will.
On to topical solution for hair loss, we have Dr. Arvind Poswal from India, showcasing in our forum what I would say pretty impressive results in just a matter of 45 days, using dermaroller plus 2 key ingredients, Resveratrol and grape seed extract. Follow the story and let us know what you think. Next, we have a breakthrough in FUE hair transplant classification, brought to you by none other than Dr. Umar, founder of Dr. U Hair and Skin Clinic in Los Angeles, a top 10 clinics of all time according to our ranking statistics. Finally, a scientific way to determine if you are a good candidate for FUE hair transplant when it comes to ease in donor extraction, transaction rate, as well as yield expectation. It is a much-needed protocol that allows the doctor to know in advance with reasonable certainty the level of difficulty he or she may encounter in the donor extraction process. It is called Sanusi FUE scoring, or SFS. This is a screening tool that should be given to everyone considering FUE hair transplant nowadays during the initial consultation. In this episode, we are also going to showcase 2 recently published hair transplant results we handpicked for our audience, for reasons none other than the fact that they look really impressive compared to others we have seen lately. First, we have results from Dr. Rahul in Ottawa, Canada, 2,600 grafts FUE hair transplant. See for yourself, this is just all around top quality any which way you look at it. Next, we have HDC Clinic in Cyprus, 3,200 grafts. Cyprus is a popular destination for hair transplants located just 80 kilometers or 50 miles south of the coast of Turkey. If you follow our forum, you will know that HDC never disappoints. This one is no exception. Look at the temple closure and the angle how each individual graft is placed. This is more art than science, in my opinion. To conclude, we also have upcoming events to look out for around the world. Dr. Epstein, Florida, is hosting a live Instagram session on August 4th. Hassan and Wong, Vancouver, Canada, a top 3 clinic of all time according to our rankings, is offering free in-person consultation in Fort Lauderdale, August 14 to 15th. Also, big event coming up this November in Melbourne, Australia, World Congress for Hair Research 2022. Professor Angela Cristiano and Dr. George Kotsarelis are among some of the world-renowned keynote speakers at this event. Last but not least, anyone who is considering hair transplants should check out our standby discount program. You can pick any clinic anywhere in the world. See link below for details or visit hairsite.com. Before we go, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are your go-to channel for hair restoration headline news anywhere in the world in 5 minutes or less. For doctors or clinics out there, we are your news broker for anything that has to do with hair loss, hair restoration. Feel free to contact us or post your comment here if there is anything you would like to share. That's all, folks, for this episode. See you all next time.